Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. So the KSE 100 index slips again, falling back below the 10 and 20-day exponential moving averages and confirming, just like we thought, that the uptick of the last 2 days was more relief than reversal. Let's take a closer look. So this is where we are, a 1521.39 points drop for the day. This is not surprising at all because, as we were saying, the relief rally of the last 2 days did not come with momentum, did not come with volume. Going further, now you'd notice that the sequence of lower highs from early October remains in force, which means technically that sellers continue to control these rallies, which is very telling. Now, once again, the index has slipped below the 10 and 20-day exponential moving averages over here and sits on the 50-day EMA just like it did a few days ago. Momentum is coming down. RSI is now at 4892. MACD is still in bearish cross with downward momentum, not increasing today, but still present. ADX has all but lost the trend at 2466 now. The one thing that stands out for the entire last week's analysis is that it has been on very low volume, much lower than the 10-day average, just as today. So even today, like yesterday, like the day before and the day before, the price action has not come with conviction. So putting it all together, this is a bearish tilt which is range bound, and the near term, well, the medium term trend is intact above the 50-day exponential moving averages over here. The short-term bias, however, stays down until the index reclaims the 161.7K level, the 10-day exponential moving average, provided it does it with better volume. Or on the other side, the risk of a test of the 50-day EMA remains elevated if the rallies fail at the 10 and 20-day exponential moving averages, which they are failing. And there is a lot of room for downside movement then, if it fails. So keep watching and stay tuned.